Hello. Hello, Booty Boots. Booty, go see Poppy. What are you guys doing, huh? What are you guys doing? Are you happy? What is that? Look at the snow. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, yes. Pretty. Look at.
Nice big spot.
Look, yeah, see? Daddy shoveled the graves for you guys. Go ahead, go ahead. Here, look at her, look at her, look at her. She's running, man. Hello. Look at him. Go ahead, good boy. Come here, you guys. Come here, you. Come here. Come on, hi, guys. Oh, you having fun out here? You like that? Oh, you like this? Oh, hello.
Three-legged dog on TV.
Three-legged dog. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Booty Boots.
You gotta go.
Uh-oh. We don't need to see that. There's... Hello, pretty. Hello. Oh, I say hello, everybody. Son, I love the snow. Hello. Oh. What you doing? Are you eating the snow? Hello, give me kisses. Let me see. Pretty face. Hello. Hi, guys. Where's Boots?
There you go. It's just one underneath your legs.
Hey, Boots. Come here. Booty. Hello. Hi. Oh, what you got there? What you doing? Hello, Payton. Payton's going to have babies.
Okay. Ow. They found poop.
Put it down.